Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and enjoying my class. Today we will discuss center's control over the state legislation. So when the center can control the state legislation under Indian constitutional law. So let's get started. So like state legislature used to make the law for the state. Now during what or in what time or during what specific time the center can interfere in that matter or can control the state legislature. First of all, president is for the center and governor is for the state. Now in case if governor feels like he needs certain advice or he needs to consult with the president or he needs to recommend certain things, certain bills to the president, in such cases governor can reserve certain types of bills which used to pass by the state legislature for the recommendation of the president. So it is on the governor first, like if he feels like yes, I need to recommend this matter to the president, okay. So in such cases governor can reserve. Secondly, whatever bills passed by the state legislature, so like making laws means what? Lawmaker will make the laws, then the bills need to be passed by the parliament, then we called it, the date when it got passed in the parliament, we call that date is the enforcement date, okay. So bill needs to be passed in the parliament, or who actually passed it, like in the state legislature. Here we are talking about the state legislature. So in case bills on certain matters, okay, in the state list can be introduced in the state legislature only with the previous sanction of the president. So what happens? Think state legislature wants to make the bill or wants to take or make the law on certain matter. So in that case also approval of president is required. There also center's interference is needed. And thirdly, during financial emergency of the country, during that time president can direct the states to reserve certain bills such as money bills, financial bills, etc. Okay. So during financial emergency also center can control or interfere in the state legislature by asking them or by giving the direction to the states that to reserve certain bills such as money bill, financial bills for the reference. So these are the 3 points where the center can interfere or can control over the state legislature. That means whatever bills is going to be passed by the state legislature, or whatever rules used to be made by the state legislature, or else whatever decisions has been taken by the state legislature, center can interfere there, or else center can control those matters whatever has been passed by the state legislature.